Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this cryptocurrency banner inside Photoshop. As you know, cryptocurrency is in trend these days and every now and then we get requests to create banner, illustration or website for cryptocurrency. So today we will create one such an artwork that is banner while also exploring how to composite multiple images to create this glowing Bitcoin banner inside Photoshop. Guys, if you like it, then do show your support by liking the video, sharing it, and most importantly, subscribing the channel. So let's get started. Here we are inside Photoshop. First we have to create that starburst background. You can find some starburst images from internet or we can create it inside Photoshop with few simple steps. So first create a solid color black background. Convert this layer to smart object. Go to the filter, noise, add noise. Assign any value from 30 to 40. I'm going with 34. Now go to the filter again and apply blur, Gaussian blur. Your value can be from 2 to 3. I'm going with 2.4. Press OK. Now select the threshold and move this slider to the left until you started seeing the small white particles. Select the values according to your liking. I'm going with 57. Now create one more solid black color layer. Press Alt and create a layer mask. And now with the help of brush tool, take a basic brush and with the white foreground color, remove the particles from the edges. Increase opacity to 100%. Now we can put them in group by Control G or Command G. Rename it Starburst. It's look quite plain, so I'm thinking to add some texture by adding few nebula images, galaxy images or thunderstorm. These are the few of the keywords I'm sharing so you can find some awesome images easily. I've already prepared the images which I'm going to use on this design. Move it on your document. Hold shift to place it in center. Now take this galaxy layer and place it on your document as well. Select nebula layer and change its blending mode to luminosity. So you remove the color values. Decrease the opacity around 5 and turn on the galaxy layer. Change its blending mode to soft light. See, you are only able to see this texture on the lighter areas. I want to show texture on the left side as well. So I am copying this nebula image and placing on left. Now create a mask and with the help of brush and black color, remove unwanted. Decrease opacity to around 3. Put them in group. We can call it texture. Select both of them and group them. We can call it background. Now it's time to bring our Bitcoin image in our scene. Turn on, right click on it, duplicate layer, select the document here, press OK. Now we have our image on our document. It looks little dull, so create curve adjustment tool, clip it so it will only affect the layer beneath it. Make darker shades little darker and lighter shades more brighter. Double click on the Bitcoin and apply outer glow. Change hue to 48, 100%. Now define size according to your liking. I'm going with 54 or so, anything. It all depends upon your preferences. Opacity can be 20. Now assign inner glow, same color here as well, and size can be, select size and change the contour to this, so it will have more intense effect. Opacity can be 42 or something. Press OK. Now it's time to bring those flare effects. I've already created one other tutorial where I've shown how to take small parts from multiple images and place it on your artwork, and how to make them glow and colorize it. It is awesome tutorial. You can check it. I'll place a link above. Create a new layer. Bring the flare on your document. Now place it over here. Change its blending mode to screen. Place it according to your liking. I'm happy with it. Now create a hue saturation layer. Clip it. Select colorize and assign same hue value 48. Increase saturation around 60 or something else, or more, 64. I'm going with 64. See, we can even change its blending mode to linear dodge for getting more intense effect. Select both of the layer, Ctrl J to copy it and place it above as well. Flip it vertically and rotate it this way. Select both of the flare layer, put them in group, call it glow. Now we can bring one more optical flare as well to introduce more glow. Change its blending mode to screen and put it on your design where you want it. See, I want it to be here. Decrease its opacity around 80. Yep. Create a layer mask and remove where you don't want it. Select the actual layer thumbnail, not the mask. Ctrl L to open levels and make darker pixel more darker and mid-tone darker as well. I'm happy with it. Drag the optical flare layer in the glow group. Now copy the coin, Ctrl J to copy it. Select the bottom one and with the help of Ctrl Shift bracket, put them top of all layers. I want some stretched line effects. So I will go to the filter, blur, motion blur, and select the distance around 180. Ctrl J to copy it and select this motion blur layer with help of Alt. Now increase its distance around 470, 600, whatever you like. Press enter. Select both of this layer, put them in group and change its blending mode to soft light. Decrease its opacity around 70 or 64, whatever you prefer. Now we can bring few more glowing optical flares to give more extra glow. I'm using this image, put it behind the icon. Apply a mask and remove unwanted with the black color. Shrink it. Decrease opacity around 70. Select coin and Duplicate it one more time, place it behind this extra glow layer and increase its size. Decrease its opacity to 4 or 5. Yeah, I like it. I'm changing the stretch contrasted layer opacity to 78. We can do one thing, we can create one shape with black layer, rotate it, scale it this way, change its blending mode to overlay, and with the help of Alt key, create a mask to remove it. With the help of brush and white foreground color, brush it where you want this effect. Decrease its opacity around 30 or so. I think it's too intense. I'm going with 54. Now it's time to add those texts. Create content, duplicate it, and place it in your design. Now make its layer visible. We can even hide the text for now. Create a new layer, Ctrl Shift or E to merge everything on a single layer. Now go to the filter and make some final tweaking in camera raw filter. You can apply same values or try something else. There are too many options, so I will teach you camera raw filter some other time. Press OK. I'm happy with it. Now create layer again, Ctrl Shift or E to merge everything. Now go to the filter, other, high pass, and radius can be 0.8. Change its blending mode to overlay. Now turn on your content layer. We are done with the design. Press F twice to switch to full screen mode and Ctrl 1 to zoom to full view. Hope you like it. You can spend a little bit more time to work on the details and enhance the banner even more. I just wanted to teach you the technique. Hope I am able to do that. One more time, I would like to say, if you like the tutorial, guys, do support this channel by liking the video, sharing it, and most importantly, subscribing the channel. Bye for now.